Hello and welcome to another update video. Yeah, for oil we continue to be in this long correction. I think we continue to have to expect continuously lower prices here based on the Elliott wave analysis. Everything currently going according to plan. The fact that we moved briefly above $100 again doesn't change anything. Nothing, no market moves in a straight line. So you will get your ups and downs. Even in a downtrend, you have uptime. Yeah, you have waves to the upside. So first of all, let's take a look at the longer time frame Elliott wave count, where we created a first wave impulse here. That was back in 2008, and then we went into more than 10-year long-lasting WXYXZ correction, a very long corrective wave pattern, where we then bottomed out in March 2020 in a wave 2. We are now in this wave 3 that will end, don't know where it is, somewhere up there, yeah. But this is the higher level wave 3, within which we have already completed, in my opinion, a wave 1, and we are currently in this wave 2 in orange. The next wave would be the wave 3 of the wave 3. Zooming in, yeah, currently everything going according to plan. I told you that we are going to go lower. Let me go to the 4-hour chart. So in my opinion, we have seen here a wave A down, a B up. We are now in the C wave. Ideal target for that in this larger reversal area. The larger reversal area is spanning between $42 to $76. Somewhere in here, I would expect the price to reverse. Could be at 76, could be at 42. That is what we don't exactly know yet. That depends a little bit on the structure. The closer we come to that area, the more the clearer the overall wave pattern will be and the target will be. At the moment, what we can specify is the general target area for a wave 2. And again, whenever we get into, as soon as we get into this area, we have to be on the lookout for higher prices, because then at any point in time it can reverse. Now this area is for gold, especially these retracement areas are very relevant for for oil. So I expect the oil price to go here into the region between 78.6% fib level and the 50% fib level, and that is exactly those $42 to $76, yeah. But a level that I calculated in a previous video that would be one very likely target within this area is the $62 level. That is also the 61.8% fib level of that wave 1, yeah, for oil. Just thinking, if I said gold at any point here in the video, no, of course, it's the oil market we're looking at here at the moment. It was just, I looked at my previous gold TA just before this video. Now, a few interesting things here to mention that confirm that we are moving further down. Yeah, despite this move up, which was a few percentage points, but we are from the peak of the wave B here, we have been moving down. And so far, this is all going according to plan. You know, you can even draw a trend line, a descending trend line connecting all these highs. This has not been broken yet. Yeah, so all we had was a pullback to that descending trend line from below. Doesn't really indicate any stop, you know, of this downtrend. In fact, we even broke, even though we didn't break it substantially, but we already made a lower low here against wave A. So that, I think in the previous video I mentioned that this wave A low here, this level, basically at $98 is a key level. Now making already a lower low is definitely a bearish signal, even though we saw a reaction to the upside. But in this move up, we didn't make a higher high. Basically, you could call that a double top, and we didn't break above the descending trend line. So I would expect those prices to continue to roll further down. Next step for the bears would be to take out again that 98.50 level and then go below the previous swing low at 94.63. Then I would expect here the next level to be reached at 86.45. Now this can take a while, this can take weeks, you know, to play out. But overall, I think we are on the roadmap here, on the pathway to lower prices. As I already mentioned, end of March, when we were here at, where were we? I think around $115, yeah. So this is so far all working out. At the time I already mentioned, I expect a 50% reduction in the oil price, and we are currently working that way. And we can see here very nicely that while everybody's expecting a new peak in the oil price, I do as well. But first of all, I think we need to finish off this correction. Then we're going go and see probably prices above $200 for oil, which will be crazy, which will be expensive, which a lot of people will hate, including myself. The only way to protect yourself from that is if you invest in oil, right? It's a bit of a hedge against the rising oil prices that we have to deal with on the daily basis when we drive, I don't know, diesel cars, when we heat. In some countries, heating with oil is very common, not in all though. But yeah, that is currently what we're looking at here, and this is pretty much the update for oil here at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.